an affidavit of service upon mentioning both. Lordship, here the petitioners before your Lordship are intended parents, Lordship. Lordships, the petitioner number 1, Lordship, is within the age group of 50 under the Assisted Reproductive Technology Regulation Act, Lordship. Lordship is aware, Lordship, but the petitioner number 2 has crossed the upper ceiling limit of 55 years, Lordship.
What is his age now?
His age, Lordship, I will indicate. Is 58 years, Lordship, notes, but I will check from records. Lordship, it is 58 years, Lordship, appearing at paragraph 8 at page 5. And it is a specific averment that we shall not be using the sperm of the petitioner number 2. Lordship, that is also the specific averment and one of the grounds also, Lordship. Is
You think the petition number 2 will be able to take care of the child?
Lordship, I have personally consulted.
Near about 60, he will be, if in case it materializes. Nobody knows whether it will mature or not, but then even if it does,
Lordship,
he'll be 60.
I have taken instruction that they are otherwise, they have got properties, they were treatment for a.
Not only properties, it is not only finance.
Lordship,
Apart from finance, something else is also required.
Completely bow down. In fact, Lordship, I have other matters before you, Lordship, where I have been trying to consult them and counsel them.
Yes.
That there are several children who are without parents. So why not that way? But there are situations,
True.
Lordship, in the peculiar facts, I will be able to apprise your Lordship what the sentiment of the families are, Lordship. And since your Lordships have passed orders where
this is opening a floodgate. Every day I'm getting mentioning for IVF facilities and all these things.
I bow down to your Lordship. Maybe possibly one of the matters first which appeared was the matter in which I appeared. But I was also not aware that this will be the courts. I am now definitely counseling them that it should be the other way. If your children have been taken away from you by God or something, there are many children who are now without parents. Why don't you? But Lordship, there is also a difficulty there, I tell you, Lordship, the process. The wait there for adoption is also such, it has become
Very
so complex.
Lengthy also.
Lordship, very lengthy. Unless that is
simplified.
Where will these people go?
My lord, I'm for the union, my lord.
Yes.
As a matter of fact,
with the
prayers, that is, my lord, I cannot turn this into an adversarial litigation. I absolutely leave it upon my lord what my lord will decide. I used to work for a non-governmental organization which facilitates adoptions. So I was looking after around 12 adoptions before the learned Bhattacharjeelaw court. For almost 1.5 to 2 years,
they had to wait.
Waiting thereafter, nothing transpired. It was again sent back to the district magistrate for their report. So what happens is that finally the children are who are the sufferers. So, my lord, I would beseech my lord, at least from the bar, I'm making this submission. My lord, kindly passes some direction which can facilitate or.
But direction in a matter, it cannot be out of context.
Cannot be.
Lordship, I will come up with another matter today where the mother has exceeded the age and the son has died at 16 years of age. The father is within age. Now, these are such situations, and we cannot, as advocates, also tell them that there is no relief at all. But Lordship's interference in this kind of matters is now very
absolutely
much required.
Necessary. Absolutely necessary.
Because unless that process is simplified, they're terrified going that way. They're saying that we can go the process of IVF, it is within our control, but that process we are terrified. So, Lordship, this matter, Lordship, the mother is only 43 years old. And
give me the order that I have passed.
Lordship, it is Lordship's.
Is it annexed?
No, Lordship, I have not annexed it. I am carrying it with myself. This is your Lordship's order, and this is Justice Bhattacharjeelaw's order, which was considered in your Lordship's order.
Please come. The petitioners intend to avail the benefit under the Assisted Reproductive Technology within bracket Regulation Act, 2021. The petitioner number 1/wife is 41 years, and the petitioner number 2/husband is 58 years. Stop. To get relief under the aforesaid act, the upper age limit for a female is